I don't want to try to anchor it actually to the body. I'd probably do something stupid and screw into the gas tank or something. So we'll label these left front, right rear, left rear. So we're about 42 inches. Here to here looks like about 36 and a half. Yep. 36 and a half. This is just rough. I mean, this isn't cabinet making. So we've got that. This. We've got a reference here. Yeah, I think we end up right about how I figured. It's about 48. Yeah, I think that'll work. I got to get set up to be able to make the cut, and we'll get this done. Alright, here's what I've got. I'm using OSB. A, it's kind of a prototype. B, it's sacrificial if I screw anything up. I marked my 36 and a half from there. So all I really have to do is mark these few radii, radios, whatever. Make my straight cuts with the circular saw, make my curve cuts with the jigsaw. See if it even fits. I'll squeeze it in there somehow. It's a mess in here. I need a bigger garage. Dadgum! It fits. Now what I would like to do, I'm going to drill holes or notch out for all my little cheapo D-rings here. Not exactly sure how this will work, but I'm going to try to just take some tape and put them approximately where the centers of these D-rings are. And then I'll drop the OSB down, and then hopefully the tape sticks, and then I'll drill through. I'm going to use a decent size hole saw or the jigsaw, so I can have a little bit of leeway. Ah, it's sticking to me. Never sticks to anything you want it to stick to. Might title this video, Idiot Wrestles with Tape. Ah. See what happens. Do it slowly, I don't want a big puff of air to blow the tape out. Well, worked on one side. Okay, I got my base in, and I got the tire back in so I can get a width. These are the things that I normally have stashed in the rear here. I was thinking about building where I wanted my shelf in a smaller area and tucking things around, but I think my best bet is to basically go as wide as I can, and then I'll be able to store everything on top. I usually also have a small tote of fluids And then for the longer trail rides and stuff, there's a cooler, but a lot of times that sits in the front seat depending on how many passengers I have. Start building my platform with my rollout table. I think it'd be cool when it's all said and done.